Hey, what's going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today I'm going to check it out how to design long shadow in After Effects. I'm going to make a new composition. I'm going to name this text. I'm going to go with 1920 by 1920, 30 frames per second, 10 seconds. I'm going to go with black background, click OK. I'm going to drag in the typo, the text, the vector text right here. Or you can select the type tool, and just click and type in something. And after that, you're going to right click and go to create shape from vector layer. I'm going to delete the original layer. I'm going to select the small. I'm going to press and hold shift and also scale it. Okay, I'm going to rename this. I'm going to name this text. And I'm going to press Control D, so it's going to create a new copy. I'm going to rename this as shadow. Okay, so for the shadow, I'm going to change the fill color to white. And on the top, the text number 2 is going to be on black. I'm going to go and click on the shadow and click here, add repeater. Now let's go down here where the repeater, and also I'm going to click on the repeater 1. So we got here the copies. Right now it's 3. I'm going to increase it somewhere around 120. And we're going to go and position this to 0 at the moment. Okay, so now it's on 0. I'm going to activate the position stopwatch, and I'm going to type in here 1. There we go. I'm going to go to the second, and now I also going to increase this one to go down. So this is also 1. I'm going to go to the third second. Okay, so it's going to go something like this. So it's going to be -2. I'm going to go to the fourth second. Let me check this one. Yeah, it's going to be -1. I'm going to go to the fifth second. -1. Where was this? Yeah, -1. We're going to go to the sixth second. We're going to go with -2. 7th second. Let me check this. I'm going to go with 2 by 2. I'm going to select all the keyframes and right click. Go to keyframe assist and select these ease. Now let's see what we did. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so as you can see in the start, we don't have anything going on. And I'm going to decrease the copies actually here. I'm going to activate the copy stopwatch, and I'm going to type in here 0 copies. And I'm going to move it to the first second, and I'm going to type in 130 copies. Select both. I'm going to right click, keyframe assist, easy ease. Let's see what happened. Nice. Little bit of looping. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. And if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.